And so now what'll happen if we go through the steps, we send the API request /users. It's a GET request. It checks to see if there's a path parameter. So like, we'll get into that in just a second. If there's not, it's going to run handle get users. And get users will then go and pull back all the data from the database, and then we should be good. So now that this is saved, let's go ahead and switch to API Gateway and let's test it. So we can go to test here, and we just hit test. So it's saying it's missing a required key table name. Let's go ahead and look at the Lambda function. And let's take a look. So table name was an environment variable that we didn't set up in this. So this is actually kind of nice because as I'm going through here, it should make the whole connection of all these different pieces more concrete in your mind because we're not just reusing it every single time. So now every function that we create is going to have to do the exact same process, and we'll build up that, you know, that elasticity or whatever in your brain to basically, you know, understand how to do it. So users, and then we're going to save it. And now if we rerun this, if you pause the video now, I would say pause the video after I say this. Can you guess what type of error we're about to get? Yes or no? So if you thought you were going to get a DynamoDB scan IAM issue, the same way we got a DynamoDB put issue with the IAM policy, then you are correct. So now what we can do, and you could also do a thing here, you could pause the video, try to go into the AWS IAM policy that's connected to that Lambda function, edit the same way we did in the last video, to then allow for DynamoDB scan. Then save it, and then try to rerun it. And if it works, nice job. Otherwise, you can basically watch me do it right now. So I'm going to jump into this.